So now we have gone through how to fill, modify data, delete data from our internal tables that have a header record. Let's now swap over and look at internal tables that don't have a header record. The ones we want to use going forward, and they're the ones where we specify our own work area. Now we're not going to go through every example again, but what we will do is go through the differences. So first up, let's have a look at reading data. When we have a loop statement that loops through our internal table that uses a work area, the loop reads each record from our internal table into the work area instead of the header line. Now because we have the ability to specify the work area completely separate to our internal table, we must specify that work area we want to use within our loop to read the data into. So let me clean up this code and have a look at some examples of using the work area with loops and so on. So I've loaded up the code that we've used in a previous example when looking at work areas. And we already specified how to use a work area in an example, but we didn't go into great detail. So let's do that now. So here is where we add an array fetch. We're not too bothered about that right now. Let's remove it. I'll tell you what, no, we'll keep it in because that fills our internal table. Let's concentrate on this piece of code right here. So as you can see, it's a standard loop statement. We're looping at our internal table, but we're going to, instead of using the header line, we're going to read our record into our own predefined work area. And then when we want to work with any data that belongs to the work area, we reference the work area directly. So our write statement says write the surname field from our work area, not the internal table.